Yo, Ghana. Yo, Ghana. Make I tell you something. Wale. Shatta Wale. You see, you better boo basa will street in so one of these days. Me say, one year, it be Shatta Kumoji. Shatta Kumoji way we go make it go beat you. That time is coming. Shatta Kumoji way go beat you. You won't try Bulldog. Jamwe Jimmy Wong. Jama you fool. You don't get sense. Wale, you don't get sense, eh? You do like because you've been lying all over the place where and you say you can go about and lie and tell lies. They do like they play like the joke, but you they lie. To the extent say, hey, make I tell you something. Wale, it is only a useless father, greedy and useless father that will sit back, watch his son to become a junkie. It is only a useless father that will sit back and watch his son become a junkie upon junkies. What's why a junkie? Drugs, no, you know they feel give up. And because of that, you know they feel reason. Shebebi and there, you see how your career can turn beast. Your career can turn beast. If you Bulldog, you won't try him. Sir, make I tell you, Bulldog, make you no reply Wale. Bulldog, make you no reply Wale. You see, all these things where they happen be. Wale just say, Bulldog has been fighting the government for the people. He's been fighting for the youth. Something Wale could not do. Something because of the bribe that Wale has been taking from Madam. Any mama can into me and sorry and fighting for the youth. To the extent that when we the youth were saying face the country, Wale got up and told us categorically that we are educated fools. You need munyansa. I don't think a government say on face the country. And there, and on a crisis about a woman. Bulldog from day one has stood up for the street and the youth. Bulldog is a brand on his own. Into Wale in this way, Jimina uni munyansa. You know, be Bulldog where you go come try say you won't come be farm in some left and right level be. Who's selling Bulldog out? Who's selling it out last year? Or call Mark Brown, show no so ewo UTV or Nana Doma, National Security for Befa and Kotumu. As some of Okan Bechin Kotumu now selling it out. That was the time Bulldog was sold out by Shatta Wale. He was in prison police cells when you, Shatta Wale, you came out to announce to the entire nation that you have now adopted Nana Dope as your PA, your personal whatever. So if anybody want to do business with you, if you contact him and you don't have any manager anywhere anymore, you sold Bulldog out when he was in prison. But time I only Tomboy could demon kwasi asemono. Ghana Music Awards Bulldog stood up for you. All of us, we stood up for you. You be sell out nigga. Where you sell out everybody, including your mother. Now, papa na ono wo unim pepe say time wo o mama no papa jai na wo sorry ono papa o catch your papa said then your father was abusing your mother. Fathers that abuse mothers, bully them. And now mama di edifia ware na say wo ene o papa na wan boa o pam wo fifie no wo call the daddy that baby basa call the daddy that Blue Lagoon na sefo a o maame timi san na boss ne ntoma no aboso sika de man e ma wo timi de lorry fair ko studio ni sade no in the way you maame ama e ma no papa ye one asele o maame o chim wo ye 11 good months o nko a obi a ye wo no 9 months nko a adwen bone a ehye utirimunti o pane che o maame ni yem 11 months as no timi wo o no papa na ye baako o ye o succeed ye push you out do top we na o san call papa ho. And I know papa here one. And I must tell you Obia out. Now me who I've never seen a useless father like Shatta Wale papa. Me who useless man like you before. Who sake of greed. Usupa en pepe na obano wafan. Wale hiti you na oye wadwen say. Upe so use Wale fame. Na nka wo de ko ka so amanfum. Ukoko di ade o na akoyo hin. Won say the tata mo daddy. Shatta Wale is a smart boys. not nice money sa boys no any militant no man mo call sa place on the way mo tata mo undi ade o baby a o do ban fame no wenya no o pese o fa ho na o de benefit to the extent say people who manage this boy you have been able to influence your son to sell out all those people. Where is Chris Connie? Where is Chris Connie? Before a Bulldog ebabe manage Shatta Wale no. Shatta Wale in there. Otimi betina say eka say Bulldog wasn't his manager. That he employed him and blah blah blah. Who Shatta Wale tamana o pacho, ubunko toje pacho e was a Bulldog and so on manage you. Those days no urefi bandana urefi. That time na o from bandana na oba chop store squad urefi na Shatta movement na oni Shatta movement o kombolo mu no modo be dwane Shatta movement Shatta slide any duwe we mom create Shatta movement it no be your own where still a chill near chill nyansa we go for pump sense into your fucking head. You think say be joke you think say you pay way be hungry for street you all hungry o master we all hungry we dey use one common sense we dey think say on the street one man no chop. But why I want to say o pese nko na odidi ama o papa aba be influence o ema wa sell obia out wo papa foolish and useless greedy bastard useless father na why sa man de obana na the career beans no Shatta Wale hwe kidi na okọ your friend is saying we say Gambia okọbo show on kidi ino obo show e wo Gambia no. It should be Shatta Wale. Look at the way all the advice we gave to this foolish boy. Your son where we push him. When people of intellectual capabilities are trying to mold this guy, hold their brand, you, this foolish father, came from nowhere and entered. When your boy needed you, you were not there. After people hold him down and push him this far, you have now come. Emma Utimi, so useless father. Now, Bawe, junkie waity, eti honomo. Live video no post wa ba be rem e be kan kwase asem say oni Bulldog e call hwan na Bulldog eti wo Shatta Wale say na or draw fish also say na or draw a human head e ma utimi manager o manage oba no utimi ba be say ne kire oba no like this just so you can take his place. Manage him if you know how to manage artists. Sike die basa sa na mode nam pento to se wo Shatta Wale's father pento to se wo you are the main reason why your son's career is dead. And Shatta Wale, you suffer more than all what's that Miss Bell enya asibolanga wa hate. You are the main reason why a lot of artists, big artists in the industry, you are the main reason why anti no omunya hate song omunyina be hate nyame nti obi be hate biom. You dwindle. You go down so that the whole world will see how sell-out life can end somebody. You sell out everybody. The put him deal with you prison, but then was selling out. Sana only a Bulldog echo Germany. And I was selling out, buying, I'll make you try and throw you believe you in your face will kind of create. In your deal with you, in your deep Bulldog in here, our industry, and my you have no power. Bulldog is a brand on its own. You know it. Before you go and beg Bulldog, say, on manage you, that time, no. Bulldog was a Bulldog of the Bull House. Bull House is the brand name from Bulldog. He's got his own Bull House. That time, now he manage 5-5 more. Look at the way I manage 5-5. Hates on yeah. You saw this success. That's why you went for him. Today you are there and you are bragging. You are talking nonsense. The same thing. And now, yeah, all you know how to do is to manipulate, lie, and incite artists against each other, and making one artist believe that his enemy is this person, his enemy is that person. So say you can always knock people them heads together. So say you win. That is what you have been doing in this industry, sir. O can't wait let's accord. No, I can't wait to stone boy. No, I can't wait to wait. Near why young one, they be an show now. Now DJs, presenters are we deal when you chromo say wo me say wo you suffer unye hu hwe wo obe bre we dey say from day one me catch you now face are growing amidi. You don't know who you are joking with. You are joking with spirits, but you don't know. You think say everybody will go fit touch, will go free. We vukura nkeye. One Rastaman